Hi everyone, hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. By now you probably have heard that Apple is planning to launch its Apple Car by 2024 with its battery breakthrough technology. Over Christmas, investors and analysts have predicted that Apple could soon announce a strategic partnership with an EV company such as Tesla, Volkswagen, NIO, or Xpeng. There has been rumor on the internet that Apple could potentially work with NIO over other companies, and this is gaining a lot of momentum. Should this be true, this could be huge for NIO stock. So in this video, I will discuss if this is even possible. If so, why NIO would be the best strategic partnership for Apple. I will also discuss the upcoming dates and events that could further drive NIO stock price, provide you my stock price prediction, and if NIO is a buy. So stick around, you might like what I have in store for you. Hi, my name is Anthony, and this is Quantum Finance Channel. I'm an engineer, data analyst, turned entrepreneur, and investor. In this channel, I discuss about stock investment, focusing primarily on disruptive technology companies. I'd like to thank you for your support, so please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment below. Greatly appreciated. Thank you. As news broke last week that Apple will launch its Apple Car by 2024, analysts and investors have speculated and outlined three possible outcomes how Apple would enter the EV space. 1. Manufacture and launch its own Apple cars. 2. License its self-driving software technology in EV cars. Or 3. Partner with other EV producers to launch its Apple cars. Recently, Dan Ives, analyst of Wedbush Securities, quoted, "We believe based on our investor conversations over the past few days that many on the street would rather see Apple partner on the EV path than to start building its own vehicles or factories given the margin and financial model implications down the road, coupled with the strategic product risk around such gargantuan endeavor." Quote. He went on to predict that the chances of strategic partnerships with the likes of Tesla, Volkswagen, NIO, and Xpeng are more than 70% over the next few years. So who are the most potential candidates for Apple to partner with? The two obvious top EV players in the market right now are Tesla and NIO. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is king in the EV market and is currently very healthy. It has over 20 billion plus in cash on hand and with growing revenue. It has a brand recognition, market cap well over 600 billion, over 1 billion hours of real-life driving data, manufacturing operating leverage, improved battery technology, charging station network, and other key competitive advantages. According to Elon Musk, Apple had his chance to purchase Tesla several years ago when it was in financial trouble. He did reach out to Tim Cook, but Tim Cook would not talk to him. It is unlikely the possibility is even on the table. Besides, if they partner, Apple would likely to gain more than Tesla in the partnership. There is also the potential leadership and culture clash between the two titans as to how they run their business. Therefore, it is most likely that Apple will partner with an emerging EV company that would benefit from its brand recognition, that can use the additional exposure, access to its capital and human resources, R&D, its autonomous self-driving software, and its in-house expertise technology in display, sensor, battery, microprocessor, and camera. These are the 5 converging technologies that can disrupt the EV market, where Apple and its partner can enhance the driving experience. Let's look at NIO. NIO is an emerging EV company based in China. It is in the most lucrative market in the world. NIO has premium EV cars, growing brand recognition, forward-thinking leadership, and is in the cusp of breaking out of China market to become a global player. Many analysts think both companies can greatly benefit from each other and is the most suitable partner moving forward, as NIO can help Apple expedite its entry into the EV space to compete against Tesla and vice versa. This partnership strategy would minimize Apple's capital investment and mitigate its risk exposure while gaining time to build out its own manufacturing production line in China for its future EV lines or products on its own. As Dan Ives stated, quote, "This would only expand the massive total addressable market, or TAM, for Apple over time to go aggressively after the EV market." Quote. So the question is this even possible or likely to happen that Apple would partner with NIO? It's anyone's guess. But if the rumor is to be announced as a possibility, there would be a huge surge in NIO stock price. Let's look at the recent NIO stock price movement. In my previous video, I predicted that NIO will trend upward to $65 to $70 range by mid-January 2021. Last week's price drop was due to the news that Apple will launch its electric self-driving car by 2024 and the fact that it's a low volume due to the holiday. Based on last week's stock price action, it does appear that NIO is forming a potential bullish pattern of 3 rising methods candlestick pattern. It just needs to be confirmed by Monday with a spike in NIO price and volume. If confirmed, it will continue to trade within the trend channel upward and reach its first target of $55 to $60 by end of week, and its second target of $65 to $70 by NIO day or after NIO day. If not, it could trend downward. However, I do not think this will be the case, as December months are usually the best-selling months for car sales. I have created a chart of NIO historical and estimated sales data for December 2020 and January 2021. Here's what I have with the estimated sales data for the month of December, ranging between 6,150 to 6,650 cars, or an average of 6,400 cars. In a TechNote article, Victor Gu, NIO's general manager, has quoted that NIO is on track to reach monthly production goal of 7,500 vehicles by January 2021 and has stepped up output by 50% or 30 SUVs per hour starting this month. NIO's partnership with the JAC Hefei factory has a production capacity of 120,000 vehicles per year and is capable of a 25% expansion, quote, without significant investment, quote, according to NIO CEO William Li. Here's a flowchart of upcoming key events and dates that could affect NIO's stock price in the coming weeks and months. January 4th is the December 2020 sales data. It is estimated at 6,400 cars. January 9th is NIO Day. There are 5 potential topics that we discussed on that day. 1, the ET7 sedan and potential new models that will be launched in 2021. 2, the 100 plus second generation battery swap station to be installed throughout China in 2021. 3, its new 150 kilowatt hour battery pack. 4, its latest and greatest L4 autonomy software update. 5, NIO's expansion into European market. February 5th is the January 2021 sales data. It's estimated right now at 7,500 cars. February 12th is the financial report, or the Q4 and year 2020 earnings report. So the question you may have is NIO still a buy at its current price? And should you buy in the rumors on Apple and NIO partnership? Personally, I don't invest in hypes or rumor, but on fundamentals and future outlook. NIO has a fundamental and its future outlook is very, very bullish to me. Please note that I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence and consult a licensed professional before you buy or sell NIO stocks. This video is for pure entertainment only and is of my own opinions. Fundamentally, NIO is not making any money yet. In matter of fact, it's losing money. But with the forward guided sales, I do see that it will be making money by end of 2021 or early 2022. It is normal for a startup to not make money in the first few years. I mean, look at Tesla. It took them 10 years before they started making any money. I do believe that NIO is a buy at this point and is something that I would hold for long term. Please do note that NIO recently is very volatile, as it can swing 7 to 10% within a couple of days in either direction due to uncertainties. Regardless, I do believe NIO will reach new highs in the $60 to $70 range by mid-January 2021. I do have to disclose that I own NIO shares. With the recent dip, I have been on the buying spree. I have been watching NIO stock since it was trading in the $4 to $8 range. I did finally buy into NIO shares at the $8 range and have been dollar cost averaging ever since. If you made this far in this video and you find the content of value, please hit the subscribe button below, like, share, and comment below. I greatly appreciate and thank you for your support.